So yeah, if you've ever fired up your detector and it sounds like a robot having a meltdown, that's probably EMI. And a noise cancel is supposed to fix that. So today I'm going to talk about what a noise cancel does, when to use it, and why we should use it more often probably than we actually do. Because to be honest with you, and I'm guilty of this myself, and I think maybe a lot of detectors do the same thing, is you might noise cancel one time and then you call it good for the whole hunt. But that's not going to work. All right, this is going to be another take because when I went down by the woods, the yellow flies were eating me up, so don't like those. So the truth is, most of us, I know I'm guilty of it, but I think a lot of detectors probably are, is that we noise cancel one time, maybe at the beginning of the hunt, and then we call it good. But that doesn't always work. Sometimes you need to noise cancel several times in a hunt. So let's talk about the times that you might need to noise cancel. So here's when I recommend noise canceling. Number one, when you first start a hunt, if your ground conditions change, let's say you move from one area where it's one certain kind of soil and then you move to a different kind of soil, you'll probably want to noise cancel. If you change your coil out on your detector, do a noise cancel. And if you get into an area where there's a lot of power lines or maybe Wi-Fi, anytime you're in an urban area, city area, you're probably going to need to do another noise cancel. So noise cancel isn't about depth or discrimination. It's about finding the quietest channel that your detector can run on. So I'm here on the scene now and I think I found a problem. Can you tell me what the issue is? Yes, I see. Maybe a little bit of EMI going on here, huh? Let's see if we can help you with that. If your detector suddenly gets chatty for no reason, do a noise cancel. Or if you're hunting near other detectorists. Sometimes detectors will interfere with each other, so do a noise cancel. So think of it like searching for a radio station. You press the button until you find a good signal. And that's the only time you're going to find something clear. So noise cancel is very similar. With noise cancel, we are looking for that good channel to listen to. Now, some detectors out there do it automatically, and some actually will let you do it manually. Now, most of the time, I usually use automatic noise cancel, and it's plenty good enough for me. But if you need to do it manually, there are some detectors out there that are going to give you the ability to actually scroll through each channel using the buttons, and then you just simply listen, and you'll pick the most quiet channel. So why does this even matter anyway? Well, if you want to be able to pick out good signals, then you need a good channel, a clear channel, so that you can hear them much better. Now, I used to ignore it. I thought the chatter sometimes was just part of detector running hot. But once I started rerunning noise cancels after moving spots, changing coils, getting near EMI areas, then I noticed smoother tones and fewer just ghost signals or like chatter, So sometimes the only thing that's standing between you and clear tones is a couple of presses of a button. So let's think of it like this also. Noise cancel is not a one and done setting. You may have to do several noise cancels during the hunt. Just remember the radio station analogy. If you want to find good music, you got to find a clear station. Same thing with your detector. Now, if you want more detailed than that and you really want to jump down into the weeds, be my guest. There's a lot of information out there on the internet, but I try to keep things simple and easy to understand. So if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. And if you're a little bit in the dark about some of the other settings, I recently did videos on sensitivity and recovery speed, so you can check those out right here.